Do you want to get maximum tax return for your income tax this year? Or do you want to get your credit repaired so that you can finally purchase that house or dream car of yours? Then Gravitax Solution has the answer. Gravitax Solution is the #1 tax service and credit repair company with many years of experience in preparing personal taxes, business taxes, credit repair, and account preparation.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdulrashid Kaleja, the CEO of Gravitax Solution LLC. I want to invite you to file your tax with Gravitax. If you let us prepare your tax, we guarantee maximum tax refund within the US tax law and guarantee IRS problem-free returns. We can also work with you to repair your credit report and in the process increase your credit score. Increased credit score can give you lower interest rate on your credit card, bank loans, housing loans, and more. That is more money in your pocket to be spent as you like. We have 10 years extensive experience in tax preparation. We will be glad to help you and work with you this tax season. Call us on 651-815-1129 or 936-439-5132 or visit us at 2615 El Toro Drive. By the way, are you people oriented? Do you like talking to people and want to work from home? If you think that's you, join us at Gravitax Solution LLC as a part-time tax preparer. You can make up to $5,000 during the tax season working independently at home. Call on us 651-815-4129 or 936-439-5132. Better still, email your resume to gravitax@yahoo.com. Thank you.